Hello learners, today we're gonna learn how you can hide yourself if you have subscribed to the other channel, so they won't be able to see you as their subscriber. For that you have to go to your channel. After going there, you have to go to the left bar, scroll down to the settings option, click there, go to the privacy. After privacy you have to turn it on, keep all my subscription private. Okay, or if you are in YouTube Studio, then you can simply go to YouTube Studio, go to the settings option, go to the channel, then advanced setting, scroll down, manage YouTube account. After there, same repeat, go to the privacy and turn all keep all my subscription private. So this will, whenever they will check their subscribers, they won't be able to see you as their subscriber. Okay, this will not hide your subscriber who like other can't see how many subscriber you have. Most people think that it does. Okay, so thanks learners, bye.